Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Esther here. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing safe and well during this pandemic. Keep yourself healthy during this pandemic, as you know, right, all the dangers of COVID-19. So please take all the necessary precautions and stay safe at home. Try not to go out unnecessarily. Yeah. So today we're starting with exercise 2.3, and in the last video we saw the intro to this exercise. So if you haven't watched that, make sure to do so, because we have discussed each and every concept in this exercise in depth in the previous video. And in this video, we're going to be going over all the answers of all the mains. Yeah. So the first question is, find the remainder when x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. Let's find this out by the long division method. Okay, so x cubed plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, okay, divided by x plus 1. So now x cubed by divided by x square is x square. Sorry, x cubed divided by x is x square. X square into x is x cubed, plus x square into 1 is x square itself. Now plus will become minus, plus will become minus. So this will become 0, 3x square minus x square will be plus 2x square plus 3x. Now 2x square divided by x is plus 2x. Okay, so 2x square plus 2x. Now when we subtract, okay, we'll get 0, and then 3x minus 2x will give you plus x, right? Now bring down this plus 1. X by x is nothing but 1. 1 into x is x, and 1 into 1 is 1 itself. So now plus will become minus, plus will become minus. So this is 0. So therefore they've asked us to find the remainder. That means what? In specific, we need to mention what is the remainder, right? So remainder is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the first part of this question. Let's move on to the second part. We will do this one using the remainder theorem, okay, which is a much more simpler method. P of x is equal to x cubed plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by this one, x minus 1 by 2. So what we usually do, we equate the divisor to 0, then we'll get x as 1 by 2. Now substitute the value of 1 by 2 in this polynomial. So this will be 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, so this will be 1 by 8 plus 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So this will be 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Take the LCM, you would get, yeah, so you would get 8 as the LCM, okay? LCM is equal to 8. So now this will be equal to nothing but 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8 by 8. Okay, so when you do the calculation, basically I'm quickly doing it here. 12, and then we've got 1, 6 and 8. So 6 plus 1, 7, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, then 1 plus 1, 2. So this will be 27 by 8. So no harm in doing this in the long division method also, but for saving time, or I would say more than saving time, I'm showing in both methods so that you will be more experienced. But anyways, you need to be thorough in both the methods. So try solving many more examples. By the way, you can use a reference book such as Together with, like that's a class 9 reference book, mathematics book, very useful. Lot of solved practice questions, assess yourself questions, question papers, very nice. Oswald is also very good. Yeah, and I think you can search on the internet for further more reference books. Try solving some online question papers as well. If you don't want to purchase any reference book, try solving some examples as such. Okay, so that will help you build up more confidence as well. So now let us see how to do this in the long division method. The next divisor is x. So x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x. Now this is x square here, x cube. Oh, I got x square, x cube divided by x is x square, right? So now plus will become minus 0. Then bring down these two terms itself. Or no, let's just go ahead with 1. Let's do this first. So 3x square divided by x is 3x. 3x into x is 3x square, plus will become minus, you will get 0. Similarly, bring down this plus 3x divided by x. 3x divided by x is nothing but 3, right? 3 into x is 3x. Then again plus will become minus. Then come down, bring the 1 down here. So 1 by x. So 1 divided by x is nothing but 1 divided by x, right? So that's a new numerator. 1 by x into x is 1. So here we will get plus 1, and then plus will become minus 0. So here our remainder is equal to 0. Clear? So now let's move on to x plus pi. Oh, interesting. We've seen such a type first time, no? So x plus pi is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus pi, correct? So now p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, right? So p of minus pi, remember the minus sign is very important. Many of us make a mistake in this minus sign itself, right? So minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into minus pi. Remember to be careful of the sign. Again, I'm telling you. So minus pi cube, this will be plus minus pi square is nothing but pi square. When minus is like squared, what will happen? It will become plus, right? So plus pi it will become. So this will be 3 pi square plus, okay, let's not take plus. Minus into plus is minus 3 pi plus 1. So this is your remainder. Okay. So this is nothing but your remainder. Easy. So this is your fourth one. Now let's move on to the fifth one. So you're going to be doing this using the division, long division method. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So let's start then. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay, so x cube by x will give you x square. This will be x cube plus x square, then divided by, so 3x square. Hold on a second, what am I doing? I'm so sorry. So sorry. 5 plus 2x. So x cube divided by 5, right? So this is your first one, x cube divided by 5. But actually this is not how you should do it. You know why? Because usually we have seen, even in the previous slide and all, right? Yeah, we have seen always that our x term is coming first, right? So same thing only we have to do here. That means we need to bring it to our standard form. Okay, We need to bring this to our standard form. So this won't be 5 plus 2x. It will be 2x plus 5. See, if I write 5 plus 2x as 2x plus 5, is it going to make any difference? Absolutely not, right? Yes. So that's what we are going to be doing. So 2x plus 5. So x cube divided by 2x will give you x square by 2, correct? X square by 2. So x square by 2, I will write each and every like these steps here. X square by 2 into 2x. What will it give you? 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. X cube you will get, right? So x cube here. Next, x square by 2 into x square by 2 into 5 will give you 5x square by 2, correct? So here plus 5x square by 2. I know this is a little complicated. It's okay if you are not getting it right the first time, but try to practice and understand, okay? So this will be 3x square minus 5x square by 2, correct? Take the LCM, you will get LCM as 2. So this will be, you need to multiply it basically by 2. So this will be 6x square minus 5x square by 2. So this will give you x square by 2, correct? So x square by 2. Now bring down this plus 3x. Just a second. Let me erase all of this stuff. Yes. So now next what we're going to do, x square by 2. We are going to basically divide it by 2x, right? Divided by 2x. Yeah. So this will be nothing but 2x. No, this one will be 2x. Okay, by the way, you can do one step. X square by 2 divided by 2. Take the reciprocal and change this sign. Yeah, you can change the sign. So x square by 2 into not 1 by 2x. You know this, how to do this, right? 8th standard you had learned this, right? Take the reciprocal, your sign will get changed. So then you can strike out this, you will get x by 4. Yeah, 2 2s are 4. So plus x by 4, correct? So x by 4 into 2x, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. So this will be nothing but x square by 2, x square by 2. So now x by 4 into 5. So 5x by 4 plus 5x by 4. So plus will become minus, plus will become minus, this will be 0. So this is 3x minus 5x by 4. Take the LCM, this will be 12x minus 5x by 4, which is 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Yeah, so this will be 7x by 4. So yeah, so 7x by 4. Bring down this plus 1. So now 7x by 4. Let me do the next calculations here. Don't get confused, huh? Okay, so 7x by 4 divided by again 2x. So 7x by 4 into 1 by 2x. So these two will get cancelled. This will be 7 by 8. So you will get your quotient as x square by 2 plus x by 4 plus 7 by 8. Okay, so then after this, what's the next step? So 7 by 8 into 2x, correct? So 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are, we'll get 7x by 4. Then 7 by 8 into 5, 35 by 8. Okay, 35 by 8. So we'll come here. So here plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Now you know here there will be 0. Now look here, how do you subtract it? I know I know that you know how to do it basically, but anyways I'll show you. You need to take the LCM. So this will be 8 minus 35 by 8. So this will be 27 by 8. Plus or minus? Minus, yes. So when I was doing this in my class, in my school, right, where I made a mistake, you know, this sign, I missed out this sign and I made it as plus while I was writing it here. So you need to be very careful of the signs, yeah. So here, therefore, remainder is equal to minus 27 by 8. Okay, understood? Cool. So now let's move on to the second question, that is after the first question. Now we're moving on to the second question. Okay, so are you able to see this ink? Too light, right? Answer, yeah. Okay, so let me use another one. Which one do I use? Okay, so let's take dark blue. We find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided. By the way, simply for short form, I'm just writing. Don't write like this in exam, okay? Simply just to save the space, I'm just writing. So this is divided by x minus a. I'm going to use the remainder theorem. I'm going to equate the divisor to 0. X minus a is equal to 0. X is equal to a. P of x is equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Okay, because this is the standard form of a polynomial. Now we know our x value is equal to a. Put the value of a here, you will get a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. So this will be a cube minus a cube plus 6a minus a. Okay, these two will get cancelled. 6a minus a will give you 5a. So therefore, remainder is equal to 5a. Okay, so voila, you have your next question here written in rainbow color just for a variety. Okay, let me know in the comments below if you're finding it difficult to read it when I'm like writing in such type of ink. Okay, so what now, we will move on to this answer. So check whether this is a factor of, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So this is simple. This is basically our divisor. Okay, so equate it to 0. 7 plus 3x is equal to 0. Okay, and listen up, look here. This third and second question, right? You can either use the long division method, that is for the previous question, you can divide and check. Okay, what is your remainder for the previous one I'm saying, but for this one also you can again divide it and check. That is 3x cube plus 7x divided by 7 plus 3x. You can do it and check whether it's a factor or not. If you get your remainder as 0, that means it's a factor. Fine. But for easier method, I'm suggesting a easier method. You can go for this remainder theorem, which we used in the previous question, as well as we are going to use it in this question also. Okay. So you can, use this itself. Fine. So let's use this only now. So yeah, so I've written down all the steps. I will just explain it. Okay, so look here, what we've done, we equated the divisor to 0 basically. Then we've written this polynomial of ours in the standard form, that is p of x is equal to okay, so sorry, I should have written here this one. I should have written 3x cube plus 7x. Anyways, don't mind. I've written it like this. I will just quickly correct it now. So I will write it here. P of x is equal to 3x cube plus 7x. This is a mandatory step. Okay, we need to write it. Then what we got our x value as? Okay, so here I've done it. I'm so sorry. It is all in a very, very big mess. But I will point out which is the first second. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys. Please, please forgive me. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, so 7 plus 3x is equal to 0. this is the second one. 3x is equal to minus 7 by 3, x is equal to minus 7 by 3. Then this is a third one. P of x is equal to 3x cube plus 7x. So this is the fourth one. So P of, what is our x value? Minus 7 by 3, right? Substitute the value here. You will get, minus 343 by 9 minus 49 by 3. You have to take the LCM, and you'll next step is the fifth one, which is minus 343 minus 147 by 9. You do the calculation, which I have done right here. So you can do the calculation, and then this is your sixth step. That is, remainder is equal to minus 490 by 9. Then your seventh one, which is a very, very important step, is you need to write that since your remainder is equal to minus 490 by 9, therefore, that is the reason why 7 plus 3x is not a factor of P of x, that is 3x cube plus 7x. Clear? You cannot just say that it is not a factor. You need to say, since the remainder is equal to minus 490 by 9, 7 plus 3x is not a factor of P of x, or you can write 3x cube plus 7. Okay, so that is the third question, and this concludes your exercise. So that's it, guys, for this exercise 2.3. I hope you enjoyed it, liked it, and found it useful, of course. Thank you so much for watching, and in the next video we'll be starting with factorization of polynomials. Factorization, I hope it's the right spelling, by the way. Factorization of polynomials. Okay, factorization of polynomials. So we're going to see this in the next session. So I'm trying to speed up these days, like, trying to finish up all my sessions quickly, because we have a lot of things to cover. I couldn't film also in the last month, so lots to catch up. So I'll be regularly updating YouTube with videos, so make sure to check it out. And if you have any doubts, of course, let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you all in the next video. Bye for now.